This video will go over how to install the Torklift C1209-30 Super Hitch Magnum on a Chevy 2500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your Chevy truck with a 3,000-pound tongue weight and 30,000-pound towing capacity when used with weight distribution equipment. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. The factory hitch on this particular truck was overloaded with tongue weight, causing the side plates to tear from the rear two bolts. With the Super Hitch Magnum, this customer will be back to towing in no time. Starting off, unbolt the factory hitch from the frame of the truck. There will be 3 bolts on each side. Insert the provided bolt fisher through the hole on the bottom of the rear spring perch and out the large hole on the side. Attach a washer, star washer, and bolt to the fisher and pull it down through the hole. Lift the Super Hitch side plate into position against the frame. Use a bolt to hold it in place. Remove the bolt located above the rearmost hole of the frame. Place a 2x2 plate washer into the frame, lining it up with the rearmost hole. Insert one of the long bolts and a 1x2 plate washer through the hole. Place a pipe spacer over this bolt and one more 2x2 plate washer on top. Leave the bolt hand tight for now. Place a bolt and 1x2 plate washer through the forward holes of the frame. Secure with a plate washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, raise your Super Hitch into place between the side plates and secure each of the holes with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. Place the side support bracket over the previously installed spring perch bolt. Secure it with a lock washer and nut. Line up the bracket with the holes on the side plate, inserting a bolt through each hole. Secure them with a lock washer and nut. Repeat on the other side. Torque down all the hardware, beginning with the side plates. followed by the cross tube. Then the support brackets. Your Super Hitch is now installed and ready to tow.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.